What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've had a bit of a time off just sorting out like my mental health, my physical health, and just like figuring out what I want to do with my body and how I want to keep going with the future of crypto and all that type of stuff. Obviously the bear market's come in. I do believe it's here to stay for a while. I'm just thinking about my strategy and what to do, so I'll probably make another video on that, but I just wanted to let you guys know where I've been for the past week. Now that's out the way, guys, I want to talk about a project that we have previously talked about, right? So do you remember this video right here? You guys can see that one right here. CronosNodes, they are officially out finally after about a month since I made that video. You can watch that video just up here if you want to learn everything about it, like from the white paper, the website, the team, all that type of stuff. That video wasn't sponsored. This video isn't sponsored. I'm only an investor and I do really like this node project. It's very unique and different and it has a plan to sustain, you know, throughout time, hopefully. Just gonna stop you guys there for 1 second. Before we do dive into this video, I want you guys to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button for more content, and also check out my dog here that's sleeping. Pretty cute, right? Here is the DApp, and I think it looks really nice. It's very basic, you know, it's simple. I wouldn't say basic, but you know, it's simple enough where you can just look at it and go, ah, that's this, that's that. Nothing crazy, right? And it came out yesterday, and you can see here I have pending rewards, and I've already got 10. I've got 10 nodes. I was in the pre-sale. And you could only spend up to $400 and that would be 10 nodes. So you could only get 10 nodes. That was the max in the pre-sale and that's what I got myself. And you can see after 1 day, I've already got myself $89. So give or take, it's going to take me about 4 to 5 days to get my money back, which I think is absolutely fantastic. You can see your balance up here. You can see your total rewards, pending rewards, next rewards, so on, so on. The website still needs some tweaking because it's still brand new in terms of like showing like history or hijack nodes. For example, I don't think any have even started just yet. But like yesterday, it wasn't showing how many nodes I had or what my next reward was, so on, so on. But that's been implemented and fixed up now that the website is live. Now guys, we've moved over to the statistics page here. This is something that I was talking about with some things not being updated just yet, just like the total nodes history and the price history up here. You can see the current price, which is about $9 per token, and the current rewards per node, which is 1 cron per day. If you have 10, you're getting 10 tokens per day. If you have 20, so on, so on, and the limit is 100. So if you have 100 nodes, you can getting one of these cron tokens per day. Absolutely amazing. Total active nodes. So it's only been day 1, and they're already at 12,500, which is quite a lot in my opinion. I don't want these guys falling under, so hopefully they have some idea of what they can do to make this project more sustainable, because it is growing quite fast in my opinion. Whether they can maybe burn nodes and people get rewards, maybe like NFTs for burning nodes, I'm not sure. They do have some plans on their white paper, which again, check the video up here if you want to look into that and look about the project. All links for this project will be down below. This is not sponsored or anything like that, like I said at the start, just me giving my advice on this project, some feedback to the team, letting you guys know that the project's finally out after a month of me making that previous video. So you guys can see here the market cap is 8.8 million, so congrats on that. That's a really good start. Node reward vault to show you how much money is in the vault, which is a decent amount, and you got the total liquidity over here. And if we move over to the chart, you can see it's not done too bad. We had obviously the big launch, went straight up. People take some profits and some people took more profits here, and it's slowly going back up here. Ideally for me, I'd just want the price to stay like this personally, just keep it going all the way, keep going straight, just a nice straight line, and me just getting my RI back and taking profits. The plan for me is to probably get my money back, so I'm going to get $400, take that out and probably compound the rest until I'm happy with a certain amount. Like I might get my money back, get another 10 nodes, make my money back on the other 10 nodes, and so on, and just see how the project goes and hope it's here for the long run. I do love passive income, and I'm sure all you guys do, especially in a bear market. I could personally probably use this money to buy into blue chip projects like Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's probably my goal with this. And if we head over to their Twitter here, where they made a nice little announcement that they have become an official whitelisted project on Meerkat Finance's swap, which is really cool. Essentially what this means is you don't have to like put their contract address into their like swap feature. You can just type cron and it'll just pop up immediately, so you know scammers aren't just taking the mick out of this project trying to scam people and so on. So they've made it very easy for you to go over to this MMF's crypto swap and just type cron. There you are, bish bash bosh, swap into cron with your pro tokens, and there you are, you've got cron and you can buy nodes if you want to. So yeah, Guys, I am actually really excited for this CronosNode project. I've been waiting for it for about a month and a half, 2 months now. Like if we see on this video, I literally made it about a month ago. 24th of March is when I made this video, so it's nearly been 2 months since I made this, and they've only just come out yesterday. And you can see why they've done this. They've wanted to just keep building the project up, making sure it's sustainable, making sure the launch goes smooth, and it was smooth. I had no problems with pre-sale. I don't think anyone had problems with launch day. I don't think anyone had any problems at all, to be honest, and the team are just making a really good project, and hopefully they can be here for a long time. It's going to be really hard for them. This is the bear market. These guys have launched at a really difficult time, and they've been doing good so far. It's been 2 days, so we can't judge just yet. We'll see how it goes in a week, in a month. So guys, if you did enjoy today's video, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. I know a bunch of you guys coming from the CronosNodes community are probably going to come to this channel, so make sure you stick around and hit the thumbs up button for more information on this project. Hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you read books and learn everything you can during this bear market, and just try and sustain and make sure you're making profits and little projects here and there, like little 2x's, 3x's, none of this 10x crap. Make sure you're making the little profits here and there, reinvesting it into good projects, making sure you're getting maybe passive income wherever you can. And yeah guys, that's all I've got for you. Peace.